Wow, it's already time for the full lesson, which means I've been on YouTube for 3 whole weeks. Time flies. Why was I so that dramatic? Anyways, welcome back to my channel. This is Sonan Brinchin, and I hope you guys are doing good. So, this is the fourth video lesson of my HTML tutorial series, and before we start today's lesson, let us revisit what we learned last time. Last time we learned how to put CSS into our HTML code, and we learned a few style tags. We learned how to put up how to change our background color. We learned how to change the font size, the font color, and the font family of our fonts. So today we're gonna learn how to format text. I'm gonna be teaching you guys 8 format tags which will help you format your text. So the first tag I'm gonna be teaching you guys is the B tag. So the main thing the B tag does is makes your text bold. So now how you use that is first choose a paragraph or a sentence you want to make or format, and I'll choose the paragraph. So you use the B tag after the main B tag. So B tag, and then you end it right after the sentence. So before the B end tag, so then B. And then, so now we're done, and let's see if our text has become bold. Run it. Our text has become bold, so which means our coding worked. So now let's move on to our next tag. The next tag I'm gonna be teaching you guys is the strong tag. For me, I think that the B tag and the strong tag just the same thing. It just makes you like. The strong tag just shows the reader it's a strong tag. I don't know how to explain it, guys. It just makes it look strong. I don't know how, but I think it just makes the text bold. So you use it in the same way, but the tag is strong. So you replace B with strong, and let's see how it works. Let's save it. Save it. As I told you before, it just makes your text bold, and I think it just makes your text look strong, but I don't know in what way. But it just makes your text bold. Then so moving on, let's just jump into another tag. So the next tag I'm gonna be teaching you guys is the I tag. So the thing I tag does is it makes your text italic. So for example, in a Microsoft Word document, it just makes your text look like it just makes your text tilt. It just makes your text go this way but it looks cool somewhat, so it'll just make your text go this way. So now let's see how you do that in HTML. So you replace strong with I. Strong with I. Let's save it, and then let's run it. So yeah, so it has not changed much, but it just has like tilted. So it just became tilted. The text has become tilted. So yeah, it has become italic. Now let's jump into our next tag. So the next tag we're gonna learn is the IAM tag. Again, I feel like the IAM tag does the same thing as the italic tag, but it just basically shows the reader that this is an emphasized text. So it makes the text italic. So let's try it. So IAM, replace it with IAM. Yeah. So let's see. Save. So let's run it. So see, it has basically made our text italic, but for a reader's eye, it will make it. They will think that this is an emphasized text. Wait, I'll do something so that you can understand it better. So I'll first make a normal text. So yeah, let's see. Now let's see the big difference between an emphasized tag and a normal text. So so I always look from a reader's perspective. So from a reader's perspective, I can see that this text is emphasized. It is different. It looks different from the others. So I think that this is something like it shows a different meaning. So it is emphasized. And then this one is the normal text. So now you get it, what a emphasized, what this EM tag does, right? So the next, let's move on to the next tag. The next tag I'm going to be teaching you guys is the mark text. So it's also called the highlighting text. So it just highlights a particular word or a sentence. So let us highlight something in here. So let's say my name. Let's highlight this. So use this, and then you end it over here. So you have to put it. You have to put the text you want to format in between the tags. Let's save it, and then let's run it. So yes, it has highlighted the name, the letter name. So that's basically what the mark text does. Moving on, let us learn what the small tag does. You get an idea from the tag name itself. So it just makes the text small. So let's try it on the heading. Let's make this letter my. Let's make this small. Small. And then let's go there. That's right. So yes, it makes the text or word. It makes the text small. So that's basically the function of the small tag. Now moving on, let us learn the INS tag. So the INS tag basically inserts something. For example, a fill in the blanks question. So it inserts a word, and then it just underlines it. So for example, in a fill in the blanks question, if you have to answer it, you have to fill in the blanks, right? But in this also, it just like uses the, for example, if you have to do a fill in the blanks question to HTML, so now you fill the blanks by using the INS tag. So you're going to have to insert a text in that blank. So the INS tag gives you a layout with the text you chose to be inserted underlined. So it's basically a fill in the blanks but using HTML. So let's see. I'll say I have inserted this word. This word. I have inserted this. Alright, let's save it. Let's run it. Watching Chrome. So as I said before, it just like underlines the word, and for example, like the fill in the blank question, it will be like hello there and dash is my first website. So for example, in a grammar question, it might come like this. So if you have to solve it using HTML, I think you have to use the INS tag. So it just basically inserts the tag, but it just puts a underlining below. The next tag I'm going to be teaching you guys is the DEL tag. So it's the delayed tag. So what the delayed tag does is first it strikes something. For example, let's see. Let's say I'll make a new paragraph. So let's say somewhere someone wrote that Sonam's favorite food is apple. But let's say my favorite food is not apple, so I said I like mango. So now how you changed it is by using the DEL tag. So it makes it understandable for the reader, and it's quite simple for the order too. So I'll say delete the apple and I'll put mango. So I like my favorite food is mango. So let's see how it works. Now see, so Sonam's favorite food is not apple. So the apple is cut off. So it is mango. So that's what the DEL tag does. So today I've taught you guys 8 format text, and all of them are very important except for strong, bold, because they do the same thing, and either you can use either one of them, or the emphasize or italic because they do the same thing. Also, you can use either one of them, but the others are unique. So today we learned how to make your text bold, how to make your text strong, how to make your text italic, how to make an emphasize tag, how to make a mark tag, how to make a text small, how to insert a text, for example, in a fill in the blanks question, and how to delete a word so that you can give your own opinion, or you can like tell the fact. So the delete tag. That's all for today, and I will see you guys in the next lesson.